Remember everyone, no snacks in class.
Miss Stacy's distracted? I need to hide this before Miss Stacy sees it. Oh, I'll just hide in here. Professor Stacy will never know.
I should hide mine too. I got an idea. I'll tape it under my desk. So full.
Hey, I smell candy.
What? There's no candy here.
What? Then you guys leave me no choice. I'll get to the bottom of this.
I hope she doesn't catch me.
Kevin! Where's the candy? Aha! The trail is leading this way. Aha! Aha! Kevin, this candy's mine now. Lily, you're next.
You don't have to trick me, Professor.
Oh, really? Then what's that? Aha! Here's the clue. But where's the candy? Here it is. Don't think you could hide these candies from me.
Oh man, I'm all out of chips. Ooh, Kevin, can I have some?
Nope, this is the last one.
I'm still so hungry, but it's only first period.
Oh, this popcorn's so good. Oh, I better hide it. I can hide this in here. Now the kids will never know I'm eating in class.
Kevin, I thought you said you didn't have snacks.
What? I don't have any.
Come on, I smelled the snack. I'm gonna go tell Professor Max. Professor, someone's eating snacks in class.
I can explain.
What are you talking about? Kevin's eating snacks in class.
What? I don't have no snacks. You can check my desk.
If you would have shared with me earlier, I wouldn't have told on you.
But I was telling the truth.
Wait, hold on. We can talk about this. Lily, wait.
Huh? See? Professor Max had the popcorn.
Professor?
Did you guys want some?
All right, here are your tests. And remember, no cheating. And if you do see someone cheating, report them to me for this hall pass.
I really want that hall pass.
Oh, this test is so hard. How am I gonna pass?
Hey, Becca, do you need help?
Huh? A pencil box? How's this gonna help?
Don't worry, open it and you'll see.
Just what I needed. Whoa, thanks, Lily.
Yeah.
Huh? What is it, Lily?
Becca's cheating!
What? No, I'm not.
I saw her hiding it in her pencil box.
Really? No. Then what is this? I'm sorry, Miss Stacy. Lily, thank you for reporting this violation. Now here's your pass. Thanks. Wait, you too, Lily?
Can I still get the pass?
What? No, the only thing you two are getting is an
Oh, I didn't study for my test today. Oh.
Yeah, nice and shiny, Mr. Fluffy.
I have an idea. Hey, Professor Max.
Yeah?
I was wondering if I can take my test another time. I was too busy taking care of my cat last night.
Oh, your cat was sick? Don't worry, Lily. You can take it next week.
Thanks, Professor.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, what? How did Lily do that?
Oh, man, this game's so hard.
Oh, I know. Ooh, Professor Max probably hasn't played this game yet. Hey, Professor Max.
Oh, yeah, what's up, Becca?
I'll let you play the newest game if you let me take my test next week.
You mean this game?
What? You already have it? Oh man.
Wait, hold on, Becca. If you pass this level for me, then you can take your test next week.
Okay, deal.
All right. Oh, yeah.
I heard this new Crafty Hacks musical is gonna be great.
Yeah, it's gonna be even better with snacks.
Guys, remember, no food or drinks in the theater. Oh no, it's Miss Stacy.
We need to hide our snacks.
Where are we gonna hide them? Okay, you can go in. What's that? Lily, what
wait to see this new musical. Oh, come on, guys, we're gonna be late.
Sorry, Professor, we're waiting on Lily.
Oh, I'm gonna miss the beginning.
Sorry I'm late,
Oh,
guys.
finally, hurry up, let's go.
Oh, I forgot the snacks.
Wait, Lily, you mean those snacks?
Thanks, Kevin.
Oh, come on, guys, hurry up. Oh man, I missed the beginning.
Sorry about that, Professor Max. You want the beginning?
Yeah.
Oh, these are so great.
Yeah.
What is that noise? You guys know that puppets aren't allowed in class.
Sorry, Professor Stacy.
You two better behave. Good thing I have another one.
Whoa, can I borrow it, please?
Yeah, but don't be too loud.
Thanks.
Again?
Oh no, Miss Stacy's coming.
Oh no, Miss Stacy! Who's playing puppets again?
Sorry, Miss Stacy.
Alright, what about you, Becca? No. Oh no, I hope she doesn't catch me. I can still hear it. The sound is coming from down there. Stand up, Becca. Okay. Aha! I knew it. Give it to me. Okay, Miss Stacy. Ha. No one gets past me.
Oh yeah, these are the best.
Huh? What is that?
Sounds like puppets.
I think it's Professor Max. Let me go check. Are you playing with puppets, Professor Max?
No.
So what's that?
It's nothing.
I don't believe you.
Huh?
But I thought I heard puppet sounds. Sorry, Professor.
Oh, she's sitting down. Whew, that was a close one. Oh no, Stacy's coming for the locker inspection. I gotta hide these.
Alright, Max, are you ready to search for puppets?
Yeah, of course.
What's going on, professors?
There's a surprise puppet inspection today. Who's going first?
You can check in mine.
Alright, open it. Okay, good job, Lily. Kevin, you're next.
Okay.
Alright, open it up.
Okay.
Wait, Kevin, what's the meaning of this?
What? These aren't mine.
That's it, Kevin. Detention for the rest of the week.
Hold on, Stacy. Oh, these are my puppets, not Kevin's.
What? I can't believe you, Max. Puppets are the worst. Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!